Hello viewers, I am Anbarive. Today we discuss about those who are newer to the Excel, they can learn Excel in 30 minutes. Before going to the video, still if not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for latest update. Open a new Excel sheet. Excel sheet will be in small table. One small table is a cell. Column denotes A, B, C, D. Row denotes 1, 2, 3. Each cell has a name. It shows at the left corner. Click one cell. B4. Type anything in cell. Typing word will be shown in the function. I'm typing father, mother. It's shown in the function. Then now I type serial number, register number, name, then subjects, English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry. For next number 1, register number XXX001, typing name Alan, and giving marks 92, 90, 93, 96. For next number, selecting the cell and drag the cell up to your required. Select in full series. If you need to change the value, click double times. Change in function. Then typing the names. Manoj Kumar, Sindhil Murugan, Prithviraj, Ranjit Kumar. The names are overlapped with next cell. In the corner of the cell, drag the cell or click double times. If you need the text within the cell, give wrap text. Cell alignment. Left corner, right corner, center, then top, center and bottom. Then you can change the text in clockwise, anti-clockwise, vertical, and rotate. Then you can move the text within the cell. Next, merge. Insert a row. Typing Anbarive. Select A1 to G1. Click merge and center. Again you click for unmerge. Next, font. Select the cell. Click bold. Change font and size. increase the size. Next, select the cell, click increase the font and decrease the font, and give italics, underline. In underline, there are options for double underline. Next, border. Select the cell for border, click border, top, bottom, left, right available, and clicking all borders. For first cell, I am selecting right border. Then you can give color to the cell. Next, color to text. In clipping board, next copy, cut, paste, copy, Ctrl C, available in clipboard, paste, Ctrl V, for cut, Ctrl X, shortcuts. Next, column, row. Insert column and row. For insert, press Shift, Control Shift and plus. Select the column, press Control Shift plus. For delete, press Ctrl minus. Same for row, press Ctrl Shift plus. For delete, you can select the row and delete. Column also, select the column and delete. Then formats. In formats, you can rearrange the cell size. Select the cell and give the row height. For column width, select the cell and give the column width. Today we see the basic formulas: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, sum, average, maximum, minimum, count, countf, if and AND. For any calculation must enter equal to, otherwise it does not solve. Enter equal to, select G3 plus F3, enter, you get the addition value. Next, subtraction, enter equal to, select F4 minus G4, enter, you get the subtraction value. Next, multiplication, enter equal to, select M3 into M4, enter, you get the multiplication value. Then division, enter equal to, select M3 divide by M4, enter, you get the division value. Next, sum, go to the formula, select sum, select the variables, 4 subjects, enter, you get the value, drag for remaining students. Likewise average, select average, select the variable, enter, you get the value, drag for remaining students. You can increase or decrease the decimal. Options available in toolbar. Next, maximum. Go to the formula. Select max, select the variable, enter, you get the maximum value, drag for remaining cells. Next, select minimum, select the cell, you can get the minimum value, drag for remaining cells. Next, count. Go to the formula, select count numbers, select the variable, you can count the cells or numbers, drag for remaining cell. Next, countf, select the column, go to the formula, select countf, enter the cell, select the cell, give the criteria, I need greater than or equal to 35, enter, drag for remaining subject. Likewise for fail, number of fail, countf, select countf, select the variable and giving the criteria for failures less than 35, enter, drag for remaining subject. Next, if condition. If condition is a true or false condition. I am selecting one subject and checking is it pass or fail. Go to the formula, select if condition, select the value, I am giving greater than equal to 35. For true, I am giving pass. For false, giving fail. Enter, you get the result, is it pass. I am dragging for remaining subject and dragging for total remaining students. Next, uncondition. In if condition, you can check single variable, true or false. In uncondition, you can check the two or more variables. Enter equal to, I am giving if condition, if, and also I am giving uncondition and open the bracket. I am selecting D3 greater than or equal to 35, comma, selecting E3 greater than or equal to 35, comma, selecting F3 greater than or equal to 35, comma, selecting G3 greater than or equal to 35. Close the bracket, comma, you pause, comma, then fail. Enter the double quote, top of the pause and fail, and close the bracket, enter, you get the result. Drag for remaining students. Next, overall pass. Overall pass you can check with countf condition. Go to the formula, select COUNTIF, select the cells, use the criteria, pass, you get the total numbers 8, total pass 8. Overall pass percentage, enter equal to, select the total pass cell J17 divided by 10 total number of students. Then give the for percentage, click percentage symbol in top of the toolbar. Already we seen about copy and paste. Now I am copying this data in mouse. Click right side button, select space special. In this table I am given formula, border, value and formats. We can paste this by space special function. Now I am selecting all and paste. Here formula, border, values, formats are available as like original data. Next formula, copy the table, then go to space special, select formula, here number and formula are pasted except borders and format, remaining things as like original data. Next values, copy the table, then go to space special, select values, here values alone pasted, no formulas. Next formats, copy the table, go to space special, select values, formats. Here no number, no formulas, no values, only formats, only pasted. Next command and notes, select a cell, enter new command. I am giving first. Select the cell, copy, go to space special, select command and notes. Now click the cell, the first will be shown in the command box, will be highlighted. Next validation, I am selecting the table, I am selecting the marks. I need the marks will be less than 100. In data, go to data validation, whole number, select whole number, less than or equal to 100. Now enter the value. I am entering more than 100. I am entering 101. Given data validation. Can't enter more than 100. Now copying the cell, go to space special, do validation. The cells has been copied. Now enter the value. I am entering 102. Will be data validation. Next, all using source string. Select the table. Go to space special, select all using source theme. It like original data, everything will be pasted. Data validation, comments, formula, values, everything pasted. Next, all except borders. Copy the table, go to space special, select all except borders. Here everything will be copied except borders. Next, column width. Wait a minute. Copy the column. Now go to Space Special and select column width. It will be changed same column width. Next, formula and number formats. Copy the cell. Go to Space Special. Select formula and number formats. Here the formula will be copied as like original. Next, value and number formats. Copy the cell. Go to Space Special. Select value and number formats. Here only value only pasted. No formulas. Next, add subtraction, multiply, divide. I am entering 2, 4, 5 and 6. First copy the cell. Then select the cell. Go to Space Special. Now I am giving add. Then add in 2 marks in English. Next, I am subtracting 4. Copy 4. Then select the cell. Go to Space Special. Use subtract. In first number 96, I am giving, it will be converted into 92. Next, in physics, I am multiplying into 5. First copy the 5. Then select the cell. Go to Space Special. Select multiply. Then enter. It will be changed. Next, divide. Selecting the cell 6. Then select the cells. Go to Space Special. Select divide. Enter. Next, skip blank. Copy the values in between the blank. Wait. Now entering the 56. Now copy the blank in between the cell. Go to Space Special. Select skip blank. Before 56, I am entering the blank will be skipped. Now again copying the value and paste somewhere. The blank has been shown. Next, transpose. And transpose row converted into column, column converted into row. I am copying the name. Go to Space Special. Select transpose. The row will be converted into column. Next, paste link. Copy the cell. Go to Space Special. Select paste link. When change the original data, pasted data will change automatically. For document, print, shortcut Ctrl P. Here document has been shown in 2 pages. In first page the name list is available. In second page name list is not available. We have to set the print page setup. First, I am arranging the column width. In corner of the column, click double click. It has been arranged as per the requirement of column width. Arrange for all the columns. This is normal view. Next, page break preview. In page break view, it is in 2 pages. Next, page layout. It will shown in the pages. Here you can insert the row, the space is available. For column, no spaces. Next, zoom. Zoom option available the corner of the sheet, but we need a customized zoom. You can set here customize zoom. Next, page layout. In page layout you can set the themes as you like. Then next, color. You can fix the color for all the tables or individual table. Next, font. Next, font. You can change your font as you are required. Next, margin. Here you can set narrow, wide, normal. You can set. And setting page break view. Here you can show clearly. For narrow, wide, it will page break will be adjusting. Here now for narrow, it comes up to the end of the column. Control P. Here you can print in single page, but you can't file. So I am changed the margin as normal view. Normal. Then next, orientation. In orientation I am changed the orientation into landscape, from portrait to landscape. Next, size. I am taking print in A4 sheet, so I am giving A4. In case you need A3, you can give A3. Next, print area. If you want to print certain column or certain row, select as your required print portion. I am selecting first 15 students. Set print area. Now you go to print preview portion. Control P. I am selected 15 students only available. Next, page break. In break I need already the break is available in 31. I want to move to 20, so I click the 20 and set break in 20. Now go to print preview. You can check. Here having up to 20 students, 20, but here the column is missing. So first row is missing. So I want row repeat. I am selecting the row. Now go to Control P. The first row has been repeated to next page. Same like you can set for column also. Print title. The next column to repeat. Next, page order. Here the page order will be 1 to down the order is available. You can change to left to right, over to down. You can change. Next, header and footer. As like Word document, you can set header. Here I am typing unbelievable. Now you go to print preview. At the top, unbelievable. Header is available. As like you can set the footer also. That's all the setup. Now Control P. Here few portions shortcuts is available in Control P itself. Scaling, you can set the scaling in 100%. Otherwise in full document in one page. Customize is available. You can set in normal view or narrow view. You can set the pages in A3, A4. Then orientation, landscape or portrait, you can choose here. Then in printing, you select the pages. If you want first page, give 1 to 1. If you need 2 pages, set 1 to 2. If you have any doubt in Excel, text in comment box. If you like this video, subscribe and like and share to your friends. Thank you.